Here's my Panasonic mirrorless cameras, the GH4 and GH5. I've been on a quest to find a power system to power these cameras for longer shoots. The GH4's battery lasts a long time, considering the form factor of these cameras. The GH4 that gets about 2.5 hours of battery life on the standard battery, and the GH5 eats up the battery pretty quickly. I get about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, if I'm not utilizing all of the video features on the GH5. And I need to run it a little longer sometimes. So what I got here is a Pro X Powerbase 70. This is a V-mount battery, but it's also a V-mount styled battery that is designed to have cameras mount on top of it, and to have a converter power pack powering the cameras. So what I got here, this is a rental. What I got here is the GH4, custom GH4 by, what is this? Switchonix. And then what you do is you plug it into the actual V-mount connection, and this is a power regulator, I believe, so it converts the voltage so that you can not overpower your cameras here. With the dummy battery, pop them in, close it, and then you would unscrew this. This is just a plate here. This is not the best plate I've used. This is very flimsy and weak to me, but once you screw it on, it's fairly tight, snug, and then you put that in, and you could screw your tripod plate on the bottom of this one, or go handheld, and it looks like this when it's assembled. And it's not that heavy. It looks worse than it feels. It's not that bad. I was just on a shoot where I was filming for 8 hours straight. I left the camera on for 8 hours, and I don't even think I charged it again, but I get 3 bars left. There's a 4 bar, and I'm looking at it's 3 bars. So I had this GH4 powered for 8 hours, and it only used up 1 bar. So if you think about it, if you have 4 8-hour days a shoot, this could last 4 days without even charging the battery. I didn't use it on the GH5. I'm assuming it'll get half of that. So instead of lasting for 4 days estimation, this could last for two full 8-hour days. The GH5 really draws a lot of power, but this was really fun. I mean, I'm glad I got this as a rental and use it and test it out. If you're looking for a power solution to power your GH4s or GH5s for an all-day shoot, this is a good system to invest in, with the regulator and dummy battery for the Panasonic cameras. I see that there's also a D-tap here and a D-tap there, which means you can also power via D-tap adapters your monitors and lights. But there you go, the Powerbase 70 Pro X and Switchonix GH4 power tap regulator.